how to make this aromatic, healthy, delicious, and super nutritious Paya soup. This nutritious soup is prepared using the legs of a lamb or trotters and can be given to kids, elderly people, and sick patients as a quick source of nourishment. This is the best treat for feeding mothers, too. Add all the masala ingredients to the grinding jar and coarsely grind without water. Wash half kg of trotters or lamb leg pieces thoroughly with running water 3 to 4 times. Transfer the cleaned trotters to the pressure cooker. Add the ground masala paste, turmeric, salt to taste, and add 2-3 cups of water. Add 1 chopped tomato. Mix well, cover and cook on a high flame. After the first whistle, reduce the flame to the lowest and cook for 30 to 35 minutes. Switch off the flame and allow the cooker to depressurize naturally. Open the lid and you find this aromatic broth. Mix it well. In a separate vessel, heat 1 tablespoon ghee. Add 1 thinly sliced onion and fry till golden brown. Keep a sieve above the vessel and strain the broth to the seasoning. Transfer the residue back to the pressure cooker and add 1 cup of water. Mix well. Keep a sieve on the vessel and strain the broth again. Repeat this process 1 more time. Now gently add all the Paya pieces to the soup and add salt and pepper to taste, if required. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Super nutritious, flavorful Paya soup is ready. Serve hot and enjoy. Try this recipe and enjoy with your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more.